Hey everybody, my name's Phil. I'm going to show you SheetKeys. It's a Chrome extension I'm working on which adds keyboard shortcuts to Google Sheets. If you're a project manager, programmer, accountant, or you just use Sheets a lot like me, then I think this will be a very powerful tool for you. Let me show you what it does. So here's an example spreadsheet. This is a list of tasks that my friend and I are working on. I'll go ahead and edit this. All shortcuts and SheetKeys are modal. That means that shortcuts can be assigned to plain letters without modifiers. For example, I'm using J and K here to move up and down, and H and L to move side to side. Okay, let's edit this sheet. I'll show you a few example commands. You can move entire rows up and down using Shift-Control-K and J. And I use this command all the time. Here I'll use it to reorder the tasks in this section. I'll move this one down. I'll move this one up. Okay, that looks better. You can move columns around using Shift-Control-H and L. H and L. S creates a blank row below, and Shift-S creates one above. To edit a cell, you can type I to insert, which puts the cursor at the beginning, Escape to get out of editing. You can type A to append to the cell, and that puts the cursor at the end. You can type X to delete what's in the cell. You can use YY to copy an entire row, and P to paste it. DD will delete an entire row, so I'll use that here to kind of clean up some of the edits that I've made. Those are a few of the basic commands. I'll use a few more to format this spreadsheet a bit. So up here, I'll freeze this first row using semicolon FR. And now when the spreadsheet gets scrolled, that first row stays in view. So that's a nice feature. I'll change the background color to gray. I'll center this column here and I'll move it to the left. And you can open links in a cell by moving to the cell and typing semicolon O, and that'll open any link in the cell in a new tab. And if the sheet has multiple tabs like this one does down here, then you can change tabs by hitting Shift-K and Shift-J. And all of these shortcuts can be viewed in the help dialog. So I'll type question mark to open the help dialog. And here's all the commands. There's a lot, we didn't cover them all. But all of these, the shortcuts for them can be customized. So here the command move up is currently bound to the key K. So I'll edit that and let me change it to U for up. And if I save, it tells me that's already used for undo. So let me pick a different letter. Shift-U should be fine. Okay, so now if I type Shift-U, the cursor moves up. All right, there's a lot more to see, but I'll leave it there for now. I hope this extension helps you in your path to becoming a spreadsheet ninja. See you next time. Bye.